Congratulations and welcome to Aquatots, the complete swim experience from pregnancy to primary. You have made the right choice for you and your baby. Aquatots require all swimmers to wear 2 swim layers when swimming in our classes. By far and away, the easiest and most cost-effective way of doing this is wearing the Happy Nappy system. All you will need is a Happy Nappy, Nappy Wrap and Nappy Liners, which are all available on our website. This is the best swimming nappy system available and will prevent any leaks. What's even better is it's all reusable, which saves you the extra expense of continually purchasing disposable nappies and at the same time helping the environment with less waste. Although the Happy Nappy works perfectly well with the disposable swim nappy underneath, the Nappy Wrap makes cleaning up accidents so much easier. Best used with our fully flushable, biodegradable nappy liner. The Nappy Liners. These soft nappy liners are available in packs of 25 and specially designed to be used inside the Nappy Wrap to complete the Happy Nappy system. How to use. Simply place a nappy liner inside the Nappy Wrap and fasten the soft Velcro tabs around your baby. We now have one of our 2 layers on. Now put your Happy Nappy over the top and we're ready to swim, safe from any accidents occurring.